Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm going to show you an easy drugstore makeup tutorial. So if you want to see step by step all the products that I have used, stay with me. I have already moisturized my skin. I have applied sunscreen and I'm going to use already the foundation. This is a drugstore one, guys. And I have applied a little bit on my hand and I'm going to use it. Let's see if I have a mirror here. I cannot open it. It's here. Oh my god, this shade, I think it's too light for me. Can you see? It has a lot of coverage, guys. This is a full coverage, even if it's a drugstore. It has a lot of coverage. I'm using a beauty blender. It's I don't know the brand. I think it's Dermacol, like the same foundation that I'm using. Can you see it? It's really covering. So now I'm going to conceal my eyes and I'm going to use again a drugstore one. This is liquid camouflage from Catrice. This brand is so good in my opinion because it's not expensive and it has a very good quality, I should say. Okay, and the packaging as well is so nice. But before that, I'm going to use this camouflage. Yes, let's see. With my fingers, okay, because I don't have here a brush and I'm not going to stand up for the brush. You know, guys, that you can use your fingers. Fingers are very useful because here they heat up the product and they help you to blend it better than a brush, and it's how you don't do any damage to your skin. So what do you think? My god, this is so... I'm going to pick up my beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything. I'm going to put it together. I'm going to set up only the center of my face, you know, because it's here when I get the most oily skin. Good. Now for the blush, I'm going to use Essence blush. The blush is called. The color is called Breathtaking. Can you see it? I suppose it's a beautiful color. In this tutorial, I'm going to use only drugstore makeup, okay? Not high-end, because I suppose that it's more affordable for people, for students. This makeup is very simple and cheap at the same time. So let's see the blush. Ooh! Oh my god, this is so strong. Oh, it's impressive. I like it. It's a very nice color. Yes, of course I like it. It's so strong. Look at this. It's beautiful. Don't you think so? Oh my god. It's beautiful. Yes, I like it. Of course, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and so you don't miss any of my tutorials, because I'm going to do more tutorials with more drugstore makeup. I'm going to review one of the makeup foundation that I have bought today in the shop, and I think it can be useful, interesting as well at the same time. Okay, and now I'm going to do my eyes. Yes, let's see what I'm going to use. Firstly, I'm going to use this long-lasting eyeshadow. This is from Kiko Milano, which is a very nice brand and it's very affordable. I'm going to use the color. Let's see, the color it's a number 46, okay? But it's very nice. But firstly, I'm going to apply it. My finger, because this I'm going to use it only for my base. It is really important to do a base with something similar to this, even a cream one. You can use a cream eyeshadow, and on top of it you use the shadow. And today I'm going to use this palette, which is called Making Waves. It's from the Eye Divine. It's an eyeshadow palette, and it's from a brand called Sleek. Here you have all the colors. The colors are quite beautiful. I don't know if you can appreciate. So let's try. I'm excited. I'm going to use again the finger. Well, yeah, this is so nice. I like it. And it has a lot of shine in it. What do you think? It's quite nice, guys. Wow. It's very nice. Can you see it? And now I'm going to take one of my brushes and I'm going to use it down on my eyes here. Well guys, it's a very nice color. I don't know if you can see it. I don't have a very good light because outside it's almost dark and I'm filming very late. I think I'm in love with this eyeshadow palette because I think it's nice, quite nice. On the center of my eyelid I'm using another color. These colors, they don't have names, but I'm using the green one. For my eyes I'm going to use as well this mascara. This is from a brand called Essence. Can you see it? But before that I should curl my eyelashes. I'm using this eye curler from the same brand. And I must say that I totally forgot about my eyebrows. I'm going to do it after applying my mascara. Okay, so let's see. Oh, so good. I like the brush. I should say that the brush is excellent. Oh yes. What do you think, guys? I think it's nice. Look at the differences between this eye and this one. Oh my god. Strange. Let's see this one. This mascara recommended me it is recommended by one of my best friends, Carmen. She knows what she knows about it. And what do you think about the makeup foundation? I think it's quite nice. I'm impressed with this mascara. Yes, so impressed, guys. So good. I have a small gap between my eyelashes. I don't know why, because they are changing a lot. And I'm going to show you like a trick, because I have here the bronzer, and I want to bronze a little bit my face with this to warm up a little bit my face. I'm using again a brand of drugstore. It is called Bourjouis. It's a Maxi Delight bronzer, yes. And let's see, to warm up a little bit my skin. I have to recognize I'm really impressed with all the things that I have bought. My trick, I wanted to show you a trick. You have to take a brush and use your bronzer to warm up a little bit the difference between the color that I have applied on my lid and my skin. Can you see it? It looks warmer and nicer, I suppose. Okay, I need to do my eyebrows as well, and I'm going to use again a new brand, but before that I need to use the spoolie brush to brush my eyebrows. And this is like this is very similar to Brow Blade, the one that I am using always on my videos. This is called Brow Definer, a brush pen, long lasting, and it's from a brand, this brand that I'm using, it's called Catrice again. So I'm going to use it. I'm really impressed with the color. I think I have said I'm impressed, I don't know, like 10 times, but I quite like this. Please comment down below and tell me if you know this brand, because I am crazy about. Your eyebrows are twins, but they are not perfect, okay? So having your mind that this cannot be the same. I'm going to use now a highlighter, and I'm going to use this one, which is from Sleek again. It's a drugstore brand, and guys, look at the packaging, please. I love it. I love it. It's like a very high-end packaging. Can you look at it? It looks like a Charlotte Tilbury products. It's so amazing. And here you have like 4 colors, and you have the one color in cream, another one which is rosy, for rosy cheeks, one in which it has got like a purple color, and one which I'm going to use, which is like champagne color, and I'm going to use a brush, this one. So let's see the result. Wow, this is quite good. I think I like it. Let's see. It's not the typical highlighter, in your face. It's very subtle. Can you see it? It's quite nice. I like it. Wow, now I like it more than before. What do you think, guys? I think it's beautiful. Can you see? I'm going to use a NYX lip pencil, which is called Brunch Me. Let's see if I like the color. If not, I'm going to change it, okay? I think it's a nice color, even though I would prefer like a stronger color. Let's see this one. This is very similar to a lip pencil which is called the Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. This one is from Kiko. It's a lip pencil, can you see it? It's very creamy, yes, and it's a very comfortable lip liner to use. Kiko has got a very nice shades. This is very similar to Charlotte Tilbury. Can you see it? And I have finished. I think I have finished. Let me check everything. Yes, I'm going to show you how it looks with all the changes. And I think it's already finished. You can use it as a everyday makeup, but of course I would do it more for dinner, or maybe to go out with your friends, or to have a coffee with them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. This for me, it's a new opportunity. It's the final result. I hope that you have liked it. See you next time. Bye bye.